So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download fonts from the internet and install it on your Pixelab. If you're using your Pixelab app, you will be having limitations with types of fonts because the fonts available on Pixelab by default is not actually much, okay? So you can download as many fonts you want to download from the internet for free. So I'm going to be showing you how you can download fonts from the internet and install them on your Pixelab app. Now, I need you to pay attention and follow me closely. For you to download a font from the internet, one, the font you will need the Zack Iva app on your phone to unzip the fonts, because the font you are downloading is coming as a zip font, is coming as a zip file, sorry, and you need to unzip it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can unzip it on the Zykiva app and install it on your Pixelab app. So follow me as I head to my browser. I use Google Chrome. Okay, let me close this. I use Google Chrome. So you will just come to your browser, any browser you're using, just type fonts download. Okay, even if you don't know the name of the fonts, just type, fonts downloads. Okay, downloads. Okay, it's going to search. This was the one I used before. I just want to start it afresh. Fonts downloads. Okay, I'm not picking from any websites. Let it just search. Now it's taking me to 1100 fonts. I wanted it to bring me to where I will have different websites where I can download from, but since it's not giving me that, and I'm recording this video again for the third time, just come to your browser and select this particular website. Okay, is either you select this particular website or you just type in fonts downloads. It's going to show you various types of websites where you can download different types of fonts from. Okay, now we are using this website, so you come to search fonts. Now the first font you should search for is Montserrat font. I want you to download this font. Okay, look for it, you go for search. Now you can see the various families of Montserrat fonts, so you can just click download. Actually, I didn't want to download this file, okay, because I already have it, but click on download. Anything you download here is going to come as a zip file. Okay, now you come here, you type Anton, and some fonts are going to be coming as a family. It's going to come, it's not just going to be one. So all you need to do is to click on download, and it will be downloaded into your into your phone. Now let me show you another app, Great Vibes. Search for Great Vibes. This is another type of font you should also search for and download it. There is another one I want you also to download because you will be needing it. You'll be needing these fonts when we start creating our designs. Okay, you call it Amelia, something Amelia regular. Okay, let me just search for Amelia. Amelia. Allow it to load. It's showing me Camela. Okay, it's not Amelia, it's actually Amelie instead of the A. So I'm the one that made a mistake. Amelie. It's a calligraphic font. Amelie or Amelie, anyone. So let's search for it. Good. This is the font. It's a very beautiful calligraphic font. You download it to your what? To your phone. Now I'm going to search for another font so that we can, a font that I don't have, calligraphic font. Let me search for a calligraphic font, okay? So these are the various types of calligraphic fonts we have. You just search. You search. As you are seeing the font, that is how it will appear if you are creating your design. So any font you like, you feel like to add to your, just download it. So let's download this Barbara. So I'll just click on download Barbara, and as you can see, it is downloading here. So let me check the details. Let me allow it to download. It's downloading. You can see, let me show you something. It is coming as a zip what? As a zip file. So at the end of this download, I'm going to unzip it. So let's allow it to download. Let's allow this to download. Few more seconds and our download will be here. So let's give it a little time. Let's give it a little time. All right, so our file is already downloaded here. Now pay attention. Let's head to my Zackiver app. This is my Zackiver app, and every file I downloaded here will be here. So let me search for, okay, yeah, it is Barbara for calligraphic that I downloaded. Can you see it here as a zip file? All I need to do, I'll click on it. When I click on it, it's going to show me this view, extract here, extract, you know. So I'm just going to extract. I'm just going to click extract here. So it has extracted. Now that it has extracted, let me show you how the file now looks. It will now come up. Let me look for it. Barbara. Let me look for the fonts. Barbara. If it has extracted, I'm going to see it. Okay. Barbara calligraphy. Okay. Okay, you can see it here. Here, look at it here. Barbara calligraphy. Now it's even showing, giving me so many images. Now this is what I need. This is just what I need. Are you seeing it? This is, if I've extracted it, this is how it's going to come out. So let's go to our Pixelab app. Come to your Pixelab app. Now you just pick fonts, okay? This is a font, any text, just pick any text and come to font. Then come to my font. Any font you download is going to appear under my fonts. So now what do? You come to my font and click on this first one. If you click on this, that means you are bringing a font that is in a folder. Okay, so you bring it, you click on this first one. That's this first one. So now we are going to bring in that file, that font that we have already extracted. So you look for it. You look for it. You look for the file. Now you can see it is in a folder. Let me show you. It is in a folder here. Now you are going to pick the fonts. This is the fonts here, and click OK. So if you check the fonts, My Fonts, you are going to be seeing the Barbara calligraphy, and you can see it at the bottom. So it is very easy, it is very simple. Download it from from the internet, from your Google. Unzip it with your Zycava app and install it on your Pixelab app. Thank you and God bless you.